Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Loco Moco, a Hawaiian rice bowl dish. A hamburger steak is served over steamed rice with a thick gravy sauce and a fried egg placed on top. In Japan, this popular Hawaiian dish is adapted to suit Japanese taste. Instead of a plain beef patty, hamburger or a Japanese-style hamburger steak is used. The sauce is not just a simple gravy, it tastes more like a hamburger steak sauce. Ingredients are easy to find at any local stores. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we are going to make the patties. Mix panko breadcrumbs and milk in a large bowl, and add the ground pork and the beef. You can also do all ground beef if you like. Add an egg and salt and pepper and mix very well. You can use spatula like this or start mixing by hand. Divide the meat. We are making 2 patties for 2 servings here and roll into oval balls. Push down to form the flat patties. Heat oil in a frying pan at medium-high heat and place the patties in the hot oil and fry for 4 to 5 minutes on one side. Flip over and fry for 3 to 4 more minutes, covered, until cooked through. Remove the patties from the pan, but don't wash the pan just yet. Now we are going to make the sauce using the same pan. Put the butter and melt at medium heat. Add the flour and stir constantly, cooking for 2 minutes. Slowly add the beef broth. And stir. You can use a whisk if needed. And now add the ketchup and Worcestershire sauce and salt and pepper to taste. Mix and set aside. Next, we are going to make fried eggs. Sunny side up and cook to your liking. Finally, we are going to assemble. Plate steamed rice, add some lettuce and tomato on the side, and on top of the rice, place a hamburger steak and pour the sauce over and add a fried egg. If you like Japanese hamburger steak, you will love this Loco Moco. It's comforting and filling, and it's so easy to make with simple ingredients. We hope you try it for dinner soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。